The Valley News Live First Alert Storm Team has issued a weather alert day.
We are looking at conditions that are going to be getting worse as we head into the nighttime hours tonight, but it won't be for a while. You can still get in that yard work you need to get done. Even heading home from work and into the evening hours, still can grill out and have a nice evening. It's late tonight. We're going to watch out for those storms. So here's a look at the latest radar. You could say that it's quiet. We just have a few of those puffy fair weather cumulus clouds in the southern valley right now. Looking farther west, there's some rain in Montana. We're going to watch westward for our chances for rain and thunder to start ramping up in that direction, and then later tonight marching eastward toward us. So here's a look at our current temperatures: 70s to some low 80s. A nice summer noon hour, 82 degrees in Fargo, 81 in Grand Forks. We're at 75 in Foston, and we are looking at wind that's not too strong. It's on average out of the east, generally speaking, and we're seeing wind speeds up to about 15 miles per hour. So a quiet start to the afternoon. Heading into the rest of the day, we'll see those temperatures rise a little bit more, getting into the 80s just about everywhere, and some of us even into the upper 80s as we head into this evening, later afternoon and early evening. Now, heading into tonight, we can't rule out an isolated shower, thunder shower popping up, but overall, we're looking at this happening late. So again, starting in the western Dakotas and Montana, and then here comes that chance for some rain and thunder late. This is starting at 11 o'clock tonight, and that is going to continue rolling east from there. So as we head into the overnight hours, midnight and beyond, these storms really get going. And according to this scenario, a strong bowing segment from Grand Forks down to Fargo around 3 a.m. Now, it's a simulation. These things don't always, and most of the time, don't happen exactly like this. But it gives us an idea of what we might be experiencing. And that's bowing segment, we always say, indicates some strong straight line winds. And that's my biggest concern with these storms, though we could see some hail and some isolated tornadoes as well as these roll through. So this is all while we're sleeping, so make sure you've got a way to be alerted and woken up during a severe weather event. The Valley News Live First Alert Storm Team app, just make sure you, when you download that, make sure you have your alerts turned on for you. So heading into the rest of the night and into tomorrow morning, these will continue to move eastward and eventually clear the valley as we head into the day tomorrow. But the overnight might be a little tough, might not get a good night's rest for tonight, or at least get woken up at some point in time. So here's a look at our severe storm risk. Everybody in the valley pretty much is included in a slight risk, except for our western, northwestern counties, Devil's Lake area, and then beyond and a more enhanced risk. That's where the most severe weather is likely, though we all have the potential again for hail, wind, or a tornado. One other thing I haven't talked about is the rain situation. I know a lot of us in the northern valley are waterlogged, and unfortunately, some of our models are hinting at more of a northerly turn on this storm system, which would bring us the heavier rainfall amounts there. Some places getting that 1 to 2 inch range. Now this could shift southward and may just do so, so the heavier rain could end up being around the Fargo area. So all of us need to be prepared for a good downpour here coming up overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning. So first alert weather day for tonight and into early Wednesday, and then we can all breathe a sigh of relief for a few days. We're looking Wednesday afternoon, Thursday, Friday, all getting a break, and Saturday, that chance for storms returning. Sunday could end up being pretty hot into the 90s.
All right, yeah, get through the next 48 hours, Lisa.